Hi Math 2. So this is your last assignment of the week. And so today we're going to convert the quadratic equation by completing the square. This should be a review from last week. You guys had a whole learn check on it. It was 6 questions. However, I know some of you had some questions after that, so we wanted to make sure that we had an opportunity to review it. So, step 1, we are always going to move the constant to the other side of the equal sign. So this positive 7 becomes a negative 7 so that it cancels out. So we have 2x squared minus 12x. We're going to leave a space for the c once we fill it in, and that's equal to a negative 7. The second thing we want to do is pull our GCF out of those first two terms. So remember, that's what your GCF is, the biggest number you can divide both terms by. So we're going to divide both these by 2. Pull it out front, and we're left with x squared minus 6x, and our blank, that's equal to negative 7. Now, to fill in this blank here, we're going to take b divided by 2, and then we're going to square it. So b is always the number in the middle. It's negative 6 divided by 2 squared. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3 squared is a positive 9. So I'm going to add 9 in here. This number will always be positive because anytime you square something, you get a positive answer. Now, because we added something to the left side of the equation, we need to add something to the right side. However, we didn't just add a 9 because this 2 could be redistributed into the parentheses. So 2 times 9 is 18. So we actually added 18 to the left side, so we're going to add 18 to the right side. So our equation is 2 times x squared minus 6x plus 9, and that's equal to 11. The next step is we want to write this as a perfect trinomial. The way you write that is you take your x value and you add or subtract, depending on the sign, b over 2 to it, and then you square it. So that needs to be written here. So we're going to keep that 2 out front. We're going to have x minus, because of this negative sign here, b divided by 2. Well, b is 6, so 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared, and that's equal to 11. And the last step, we do want it equal to 0 to convert the equation, so I'm going to subtract 11 from both sides, and we get 2 times x minus 3 squared minus 11 equals 0. And that would be your final answer. So go ahead and repeat this problem 2 more times and then try the problems on the back.